The GE Appliances top-load commercial laundry machines allow installation of an optional coin drop and coin box assembly. In this installation training video, we will cover the installation process for the coin drop and coin box accessories. The coin drop and coin box are purchased separately. The coin drop and coin box may be installed on both the top-load washer and matching dryer. There are not separate versions for each machine. We will begin covering the installation instructions for the coin drop into the washing machine or dryer. Always make sure the appliance is unplugged during coin drop installation. Detailed instructions with diagrams are within the coin drop installation instructions. Step 1. First, we need to remove the 4 T20 Torx screws located on the front of the user interface control panel. This is also known as the backsplash. These are located in the 4 corners. It is recommended that you place a towel on top of the appliance lid or top panel to prevent this user interface control panel from causing scratches. Step 2. Pull the user interface control panel up, then out, and lay face down. You will need to remove the lid connector cover, also known as the small black plastic panel, from the left side of the user interface control panel. To do this, remove the one screw at the rear holding this plastic cover in place. This lid connector cover will not be needed later, but you should save this if the owner decides to remove the coin accessory. Step 3. Return the user interface control panel, minus the lid connector cover, to its original position. Reconnect the 4 original T20 Torx screws in the corners. Step 4. We need to remove the 4 round plastic cap nuts from the top cover left side. This will allow us to mount the meter case to the washing machine or dryer. These 4 cap nuts are located on the left side. Use your thumb to press down firmly on each and begin turning to unscrew the cap nuts. These will not be needed later, but again, save them for the owner in case they later choose to uninstall the coin drop and coin box. Step 5. The next major step is to install the large meter case on top of the washing machine or dryer. This box will eventually contain the coin drop, as well as the money box. Use the same towel or top foam pad from the meter case box to protect the washing machine or dryer from scratches during this installation. First, place the meter case onto the top of the washer or dryer. Next, locate and remove the 2 mounting rods from the meter case box. Remove the coin drop assembly from the shipping box. Locate the 4 threaded holes on the rear of the faceplate. 2 of these will be used with the mounting rods in the next step. The 2 threaded holes needed are the upper left and lower right, rear side. Using the 2 mounting rods shipped with the meter case, threaded side towards the front of the appliance, feed those into the opening on the top of the meter case. These mounting rods will be inserted horizontally into the rear of the coin drop to secure it into this meter case. Hold the coin drop in one hand to be ready to receive the threaded end of the mounting rods. Carefully begin threading the rods, ensuring these are aligned straight. Then use the 1/4-inch socket and ratchet to fully tighten the mounting rods into the rear side of the coin drop faceplate. Once you secure both mounting rods inside, the coin drop is connected to the meter case. Step 6. First, we need to connect 2 harness connectors from the coin drop to the machine. You may first want to stretch out the 2 harness bundles to ease the next step of connecting harness to the machine. With the coin drop secure inside the meter case, feed the coin drop harness, 4-pin, towards the rear of the meter case, through the round hole at the rear of the meter case. Also, feed the switch connector harness, 3-pin, through the same rear hole. The switch connector is located on the left upper side of the meter case. Connect the coin drop harness to the top connector on the user interface control panel. Connect the switch connector to the lower connector on the user interface control panel. Ensure both harness connections are locked. Next, We need to align and seat the meter case onto the machine with the lower left edge of the meter case overhanging the upper left edge of the machine. Align the 4 holes on the bottom of the coin drop assembly with the 4 holes on the top panel of the machine. Ensure the rear 45-degree angle of the meter case is flush to the user interface panel. Step 7. We will now secure the meter case to the top panel of the machine using the 4 M10 screws. Align the 4 screw openings on the bottom of the meter case with the 4 threaded openings on the top panel of the machine. Start with installing the 2 rear M10 screws. Feed these 2 screws through the top of the meter case and begin threading. Use the 5/8 inch socket driver and ratchet to tighten fully. Next, secure the 2 front M10 screws. You will need to work through the front of the meter case through the opening for the coin box to feed these 2 M10 screws and begin threading. Use the ratchet to tighten. Once you fully tighten these 4 M10 screws inside the meter case is fully installed onto the machine. Step 8. One of the last steps is to install the lid assembly cover on top of the meter case. This lid assembly cover comes with a lock and access key. This access key is not unique. Only the coin box key is unique. Place the lid assembly edge into the opening with the rounded edge towards the front of the machine. Ensure the rounded edge is seated. Lower the lid, then lock. Save this access key for later usage by the owner. Step 9. Now that the meter case is fully installed onto the machine, it is time to install the coin box into the meter case. Adjust the coin box as necessary before locking the coin box into final position. Again, each individual coin box key is unique and should be securely kept by the owner. Lastly, record the 5-character alphanumeric code on this unique key for the coin box. Save this code in a secure place in case an extra key or spare key must be ordered later by the owner.